we're ready for spooky treats. Okay, now quarantine, lockdown. What have we all been doing? Watching the Great British Bake Off. And one of my favorite recipes was Paul Hollywood's chocolate lava cakes. So that's what we're gonna do. So sit back, enjoy. All the ingredients will be listed on the screen and you get to bake along with me. And listen to Hamilton with me because that's what I'm also doing. Also, check out this snazzy hoodie. Keep all your hair pinned up and tied up because no one wants to get someone's hair in their delicious cake because that is just a crime against the cake kind, okay? Wish I had a buddy for this one, but no. Get yourself a big beauty like this. Let's admire these for a second. I've got 6 of them. Get yourself some butter, one of these fun little things, and you're gonna grease every single one of them. Hearing the sweet sounds of Lin-Manuel Miranda behind you as you cook is truly a way to do it. I'm willing to bet I'm gonna hear some people in the comments go, it's not even September, why are we celebrating Halloween? Shh. Wait, let's just celebrate. I'm well enough to stand on my own and do things on my own, and what's the first thing I do? I make lava cakes. And when you're done with that, go ahead and lick your butter-covered spatula. I'm kidding, don't do that, ew. Take cocoa powder, and you're gonna dust every single one of these insides. Basically, just dust all that insides. Probably do this over a trash can just because of how messy it gets. It should look a lot like that. Make sure you have everything dusted. At your prop. And see, the thing is, Mary Berry and Paul Hollywood are geniuses because not only is that gonna make it taste real good, but also it's not gonna stick as bad when you have to take the cakes out. Go ahead and do that for all of them. So once you've created a mess enough to make your mother mad at you and come over and knock your ass out, you're gonna put those in the fridge or freezer so they can cool down so you can get the rest of your stuff done. Balance them, make them look nice and pretty, and then get yourself a nice cup of coffee. And then cry because there is a spider in the kitchen. It should look like that. Complete heaven and perfection all in a bowl that you should totally lick and it won't give you salmonella. Trust me, I've done it before. Then, get some chocolate, throw it in a pan, because we're gonna bain-marie this crap. Chocolate, I used 15. Dark chocolate is the best. Get your spooky sprinkles ready because it's gonna be good. And heat that sucker up. Because once it's started boiling, we're gonna put that on and let it melt. And in the meantime, preheat 350 and let's get pouring. Listen to the sweet sound of Jeremy Jordan while you are baking. Now that all these are out, let them chill a bit. Let that melt, stirring occasionally, and get ready to pour all this bliss. And let's be honest. Put as many chocolate pieces in there as you want, because we all know that you can't measure chocolate by recipe, you measure that shit with your heart. Start pouring these at about a half so you have room to add in the melted chocolate and then the top. Keep melting down the chocolate. These beauties should look like this, with just enough to cover the tops once you have to put that stuff in, because that stuff's going to be your molten lava. Meanwhile, get your adorably festive sprinkles, which I find it funny. These are Halloween nonpareils, but that's a Christmas tree and birthday cake, but frankly, we live for her. And then listen to all of your musicals while you talk to your friends on Discord about how much of a great Uncle Iroh was. While you're waiting for everything to preheat and melt, have a nice cup of iced coffee and live in fear because you don't know where that damn spider went. And like I said, even I'm concerned adding more chocolate because remember, you measure that crap with your heart. Beauty. Once that's all melted, add in your dollops and then cover it. Do that with all of these now. Bask in these beautifully covered up beauties. Lick the rest of the bowl. Put it in for about 25 minutes. We might check it and put it for 30. And listen to the sweet sound of Alex Brightman. Licking the bowl is what gives us serotonin. Soak them dishes because it's the nice thing to do. Toothpick came out pretty dirty, so not quite done, but look at these beauties. 25 minutes was just right. Look at these beauties. Look at how beautiful they turned out. Absolutely stunning, amazing. That one's deflating and it's making me sad. But look at this one. Now for the reveal, the beauty. The beauty of this cake. Look at that beauty. Guaranteed to disappear in seconds.
Yeah.